We're making spicy wontons. Peel your shrimp, but save your shells, and grind your pork, or buy ground pork if you have to. Dice up that shrimp by hand. You can't buy ground shrimp, just dice your own. That gets added to your ground pork and flavored with ginger, the white part of the scallion, sugar, white pepper, soy sauce, and Shaoxing cooking wine, always. A touch of sesame oil and cornstarch will act as our binder. Mix that by hand and mix it really well. I grind my own pork, so I get a little stock working. I add my shrimp shells to that to boost flavor. If you don't make your own stock, just use chicken stock and water. If you don't want to grind your own pork and make your own stock, I understand, but why wouldn't you? It's so easy. My favorite way to fill them, dot your corners with water, just a tiny bit of filling, bring your bottom corner up, and bring in your two sides. Just keep making these until you're blue. Keep them under a damp towel so they don't dry out, and at this point, you could freeze them or you could cook them now. The way I think, you made dinner tonight, and you made it easy on yourself another night, every time you make these. That's why you should make them. The ones you want to cook now, just drop in boiling water. Give it a light stir so they don't stick to the bottom, and let them cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Once they float to the top, you know they're done. When your wontons are ready, set them aside and heat up some canola oil and serve with ginger, garlic, chilies. These are supposed to be spicy wontons. Szechuan peppercorns, crushed up, and that spicy oil is gonna make everything nice. Soy sauce and black vinegar, very important. Now add your wontons. A little bit of that broth. Garnish with green onion and cilantro. Maybe a little sesame oil, and you're good to go.
Those are real good. This is a meal wonton. This is your meal of wonton soup. That one's worth the effort. Winner, winner, wonton dinner.
These are good.